This morning we are making our way over to New Jersey. We got a friend's son's birthday that we're going to. We're heading over to an indoor playground, Spence. We're gonna have some fun? Yeah, let's go! Let's put shoes on and we're gonna go. Oh, it's a big playground here, isn't it? This playground, how big this is? All ready to play? Wow, this place is so huge. Let's go explore. Ready? Let's do it. Whoa, there's like a go-kart here. Look. Look at that. Wow, isn't that cool? Let's go this way. Oh, look, all the blocks here. There's a block zone. Oh, someone built a fort. Come stop first. Oh, it's a fort. Wow, look at that. That's big, isn't it? Here you go. Here. Very nice. We're at the second level, Spence. There's a soccer field here.
I don't know. I heard them up there.
Whoa, isn't that cool? Which way are we going, buddy? Whoa. Which way? Which way you want to go? This way? You gotta go through. Oh. Let's go around. Go this way, let's go this way. Boy, you want to go down the big slide? Yes.
Yeah.
That looks pretty hard to climb down, huh? Oh, you want to try to climb down that one? A little scary, huh? Maybe next time, Spencer. Maybe next time. Whoa, there's a balance beam. Nice job there, buddy. Big balls, isn't it? Whoa, should we go down this slide? This one's massive.
Yeah, he's scared.
You a little scared?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's not that scary. Just slow down with your hands, right?
Just wait, let's try it.
Okay. You want to try? 3, 2, 1, go! Ready? Go, 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 go. Look, she's gonna go too. Woo! Ready?
You see it?
It's not that scary. We got this. Come on, let's go. Ready? I go, whoa! You got this, come on. You got this. Woo! Whoa! You got this.
You
Almost. Woo! That was scary, isn't it? Good job. Yeah. What's that? It's a place to dance, huh? Go, 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 Sam. Go, go, go. Wow, we're gonna get the motorcycle. Yeah, police motorcycle, Spence? Let's do it. Here you go? Okay, I'm gonna sit with you, okay? Okay, put your feet right here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Step on this one. Whoa, are you driving? Whoa, you're driving, buddy. Whoa, look at that. Are we going fast? Whoa, room, room, room. Is it a motorcycle? Whoa, let's turn this way. Are you driving? Okay. Let's go this way. Yeah. More, 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 more. Yeah, there you go. Are you driving or what? You wanna drive? Okay, you gotta turn, yeah. Turn, turn, turn. Alright, was that fun? Hi, Susie. Whoa, hi! It's a dragon, isn't it? Happy birthday, Ethan! Have a little pizza? Yeah, you like the pizza? Yeah, yummy. Hey, Asher, what's up? What's up? High five. High five. Yeah, buddy. Okay.
No.
Whoa! You gotta check my eyes outside.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
No, we gotta go. We gotta go take a nap, yeah? Let's head back. We are leaving the indoor playground now. We're gonna stay in New Jersey for the time being because we got dinner later with my sister and brother-in-law. It's my brother-in-law's birthday, and we're gonna be doing dinner in New Jersey. So we're just gonna hang out here. Yeah, September is just so many birthdays. So another day not being able to work on the van, which is okay. We'll get working sometime tomorrow and next week. Since Spencer is taking his nap, I'm gonna head over to Home Depot and buy a bunch of the electrical stuff like the outlets and receptacles, all those things, and get ready for an install when we have some time to work on the van. They got the Halloween buckets here at Home Depot. I'm gonna get one for Spencer. Spence, gotta wake up from our nap. We slept for more than 2 hours. You had a fun day today, didn't you? Oh, on her man, Spence.
It was so tiring.
So tiring. We did a lot of climbing today. Yeah, yeah. Mom, I got a cake. We're gonna have some later.
I got a chestnut cake.
Chestnut?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I got
You got me. Okay. Just got parked. We're walking over to the restaurant. Tonight we are having Korean food at this spot called Han Sang Premium Korean Food. Check it out. Spence, who's that?
Hello.
Skuma Kucha. What's up?
隔離有間可兒的花枝啊，咁之後我就睇到中文。
Oh, look at that. Some pictures on that one. Summer menu.
You want that one?
啲菜菜咧，成日要學做嘢啦。
Can I see this? Look what Guma got you. It's a sticker book with the construction vehicles, yeah?
Do you like that?
喺 Daiso 買嘅，係啊。Yeah. Yay! Which one you want to take out? Which one you want? You want this one? There you go.
Oh, where should we put it?
There you go.
Where should we put?
喺嗰度啦。There's a construction site here.
And can I get one?
With the spicy tofu. The last one, the spicy tofu version.
Okay, thank you.
喺嗰
There you
啲
go.
整個車
Christmas 嗰啲啊，你自己改啲地咪得咯。
咪有啲轉。
Wow.
仲有19、18每人啲。
Oh, we got the side dishes here. Yes. Thank you. Wow, look at the LA galbi. How pretty is that? We got some beef, Spence. Let's have some beef. Does it smell really good? Does it smell good?
少少難嘅喎。
係啊。
唔係，即係如果擺埋上去，你慳好多位。
Is it tasty? Yummy, isn't it? This one is the LA galbi. Oh, it smells so good.
都唔係全熟嘅，即係但係佢係煮好之後就擺落去。
So much flavor. Really, really good. Oh, wow, look at that.
Be careful, 小孩。
Okay. This is a pork belly and octopus dish. Wow, look at that. It looks kind of spicy. Is it spicy?
Spicy Mandarin。
A little spicy, yeah. And then we got some tofu stews coming too. The soons. You're gonna try the octopus? Let's give it a try.
好。
Spicy?
同埋要 spicy。
We're gonna order the codfish soup. Looks like it's got codfish and tofu in there. Looks good. More steak. Oh, you like that? You like the beef ribs there? The LA galbi? Yeah, really good, right? Oh, wow, that looks so good.
Octopus, too. There's a baby octopus.
Yeah, that looks so good. Wow, look at that.
Thank you.
We got a grilled eel on a cast iron plate here. Seafood right here.
Maybe
And I got a seafood. Is that mild? That looks kind of spicy.
no choice.
Try.
Okay, I will try. Thank you. It looks so good though. Oh wow, this is the famous Korean raw crab.
Marinated. Soy sauce
Marinated,
marinated.
yeah. Looks good. 香油蟹. Let's try the eel. Look at this. Oh, smells so good. Cheers. Oh.
但係呢個冇貴。
Really tender. Really nice sauce to it. Really delicious eel there. You're trying the eel?
Yeah. Really good.
And we got a seafood pancake for leaving a review.
Before we eat.
Yes. Yeah, put it on your plate. Wow, look, the octopus fell out. You can try. This is the spicy pork belly and the octopus. Let's try the octopus first. It's not really too spicy. The octopus is really, really tender. And pork belly. Wow. It's really nice marinade. Now let's try the seafood tofu soon. It's got shrimp there, a bunch of tofu, a big clam, octopus. It looks really spicy. Oh, so tasty. Oh, the soup is so flavorful. It's not too spicy, a little spicy, but really good though. Oh. This is so hearty. Really good. This is a chestnut cake over at a bakery called
食條 chestnut 㗎。
Devante here
Chestnut, did you
in
eat this? Did you eat
Palisades Park,
咩都食。
New Jersey.
咩？
Nice cake. Okay, let's put some candles in for Kujang, yeah? Kujang's gonna blow a candle.
好
Fire.
Happy
birthday to Kujang. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Clapping time. Yeah. That's your blow candle.
係啊
Good job. The first candle blow, huh?
I practice for this.
，practice for 30我就想講
Oh, right.
3 more months to go。
You want some of that cake? Oh, that looks like a good cake. Wow.
哇，好靚喎！
好靚喎裏邊。
係啊，
Multi-layer chestnut cake.
Too sweet for me.
Is it too sweet?
not really。係
cake? I mean,
面啦，旁邊啦，買個叉燒包俾你咪算咯。
最大個口啊！大口仔呢個。唔。
咁
And 鼓掌呢？
好啦，拜拜啦。OK，
拜拜鼓掌。Yeah. Hey, we just got back home and today is just another day of playing and eating. We had a lot of fun. Spencer really had a lot of fun this afternoon with the indoor playground. He had such a good nap and I think he really enjoyed the spot. And the dinner tonight was really delicious as well. And I'm glad that they liked it too. And so tomorrow we're going to continue working on the van, hopefully, if the weather cooperates. I mean, if it rains, it's okay because I'm going to be starting electrical. I got pretty much everything that I need with the exception of like a few more fuses that I'm waiting for. Other than that, I can put together the entire electrical system. Also, the exception of solar as well. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so they can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.